Well, there's always a lot of challenges, I guess, in any industry, and specifically for contract labs. At the moment, there's obviously ever-increasing technology, which means that we have to keep up. We have to keep investing in the kit and developing new methods that work with our kit. There's a challenge of regulation. Regulation is always moving. But I always think that with challenges come opportunities. Yes, regulation's moving, but actually what it's doing, it's driving an increased demand for contract labs. Similarly with the kit, it creates an opportunity for us to differentiate ourselves as a business. So I don't like to think of challenges, I like to think of opportunities, and I think as a business we're very well placed to take care of those. We've got a very outward-looking personality as a business. We talk to our customers. We think it's really important if we engage our customers and listen to their problems and their challenges, we can come up with solutions, and that's how we try to run the business.
Trinity Scientific has many advantages. We have a 5-day turnaround time. So any finished goods or finished products that you need to get in the market quickly, we'll do that in 5 days. We believe that if micro can be done in 5 days, why can't the analytical side be done in 5 days? We also have a special customer service. We believe in long-term relationships where we can add more value. So we can look at costs to make sure that you can still preserve your margins and also we make money, which is better value for both parties.
So the regulations within the pharmaceutical industry are getting stricter. We recognise that the need for contract laboratories the demand is getting greater. So the challenge for us is to look at ways that we can meet the needs of the regulations, and that demand is not going to go away. I think that we need to look at ways that we can support pharmaceutical manufacturers in the areas that they need support. We can see that the legislation within Europe is changing year on year. Specifically within the UK, the MHRA are asking more of manufacturers, and therefore Trinity over the last 12 months has added new equipment and looked at ways that we can support the regulatory changes.
We're always expanding. We're obviously a new business, and we think it's very important to keep expanding the range of offer that we can offer our customers. So we're bringing in solid dose at the moment. That should be up and running by the first month or two of next year. We've got great expansion plans. We've worked out what our next steps are physically to create a bigger lab. We're starting recruiting new staff. It's a very exciting time to be working for Trinity. So yeah, I think in 5 years' time, Trinity is going to be unrecognisable.